Christian, what do you see out there?
Christian, say hi to Daddy.
I mean, I don't know if that net's going to fit in that bucket.
This is Christian's first real experience today.
What's your crazy sister doing over there?
What's Emmy doing? Christian doesn't seem to
Get the fact that he can't walk off the edge?
have a sense that he shouldn't just try to jump in. No survival instinct here. And he's off.
I let one go. I let one.
You let one go? Okay, that's okay. Want to go show Christian your crabs? Come on.
Wait.
We need the fish. Hey, I mean, let's go show. No, don't pull it. We'll pull this one up in a little bit. All right, want to pull it up?